In this video, we'll discuss the installation of MongoDB on Windows. First, check the operating system architecture of your system by using the following command, that is wmic os get os architecture. And this command will tell you whether your system is a 32-bit or 64-bit, as 32-bit version will not work on 64-bit window. Okay, so you have to type wmic os get os architecture on your command prompt. Okay, so it will tell you whether your system is a 64-bit or 32-bit. Now the next step is this. You know your system architecture. To install the MongoDB on Windows, you have to go to this URL, that is www.mongodb.org/downloads. Now if your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, so you can download according to your OS architecture. So you will find this screen on your system after you will click on www.mongodb.org/downloads. So you have to click on download MSI. Now here we have a note that is 32-bit versions of MongoDB only support databases smaller than 2 GB and suitable only for testing and evaluation purposes. The third step is this. When the download completes, show that in folder, then simply run that downloaded file or click on next. So you have to click on next after running your downloaded file. Then agree to the license agreement, click next and choose a setup type as complete, and finally click on install as shown. So simply you can follow the steps, and now here you have to click on complete setup. You have a setup type here, so choose complete setup, then click on install button provided here. The current release version this time is 3.2. then click on finish. So step 4 is this. Once you click on installation file is complete, you can check whether MongoDB is installed in your local disk C. So you have to go inside your MongoDB's bin folder, and in this bin directory there are a bunch of Mongo executables, out of which MongoD and Mongo are the important ones, since Mongo is the shell and MongoD is responsible for starting the server. So we would have to run them on the command line. Now fifth step is this. In order to run the server and the shell, we need to change the path of the directory so that we can access it through the shell, that is from command prompt. So simply go to the control panel and then choose system setting and then advanced system settings on the left hand side of the screen. Next, click on the environment variables and then system variables, and here you have to choose path variable. So you have to go to the path where the Mongo executable files are present, that is inside the bin folder. So simply copy that path and append inside variable values. Now the step 6. Now before starting the server, we need to create a directory, that is using /data/db, which is where MongoDB will put the data. For doing that, in command prompt you have to write md/data and md/data/db. Then simply start MongoD by writing MongoD inside your command prompt, and then after your server has started, then you can simply start your shell in another command prompt by writing Mongo. So these are very simple steps. You can follow all these steps and start working on MongoDB.